Okay guys, welcome back. We are going to be modeling 2 ways to do the work. Okay, we have a quiz Friday. Make sure you have that written down. The quiz is Friday. So the next 2 days are review. Everything we are working on today and tomorrow will be on the quiz. Okay, this one is a sketch model, okay? You're going to sketch out what they're asking. For example, there's a couple things we like to do is, let's see, I'm going to erase it all, make it a little bit more clearer for you. Okay. First thing we like to do is label this. This is a negative. So I'm going to write a negative, negative. Okay. So I have a total of 3 negatives. So I'm going to draw out my 1, 2, 3, my 3 negative symbols. Now we go to plus. We have to add them up. Now I have another 2 negatives. 1, 2. Okay, as we know, they are the same. So we're gonna just put a little note. They're both negatives. So that should be a little trick too. That's gonna help you with the next page. They're both the same. Okay, since they're all negatives, there's no canceling out. You're just gonna add them all up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total of 5 negative. Don't forget that negative symbol. Okay, here we go. I have, see, this is a positive, little hint. So I write P, and this is a negative. So right away, that's a different rule. Different signs mean to subtract, we'll figure that out. So 4 positives. 1, draw your little plus signs. 2, 3. There's my 4 plus signs. Plus, negative, negative. Okay, so there go. 2 of them are going to cancel out. So if I cancel out a negative here, I cancel out a positive here. Cancel out a negative here, cancel out. I circle what's only left. The only thing left is a positive 2. So let's think about this. So when I did 4 plus a negative 2, the rule is to subtract. So we can write that down, a little extra note. But when I subtract, I have to remember I take the sign of the larger number. Circle that number is larger. Okay, we'll do a little bit more of that on the next page. Okay, here I go. I have a negative. This pencil's driving me a little crazy. A negative and a negative. Oh, so a red flag. That should be a trick, which we've done in the past. So let's draw it out. We have 1 negative, another plus 1. Can anything cancel out? No, they are the same. If it's only way to cancel out if it's a positive and a negative. Awesome, we like these. So we go, same signs, you add. So I do 1, 2, plus 1 is 3, and I get the negative 3. Same signs, you add. Different, you subtract. Let's look at this guy. Oh, we have a negative and we have a positive. So right away, I can even put a little side note here. I have to subtract, but let's draw it out. 1, 2, 3, plus 3 positives. Okay, I'm gonna cancel this. This guy's gone. They're all gone. If I cancel all of them, what am I left? What's really 3 minus 3? There's nothing left, so it is a 0. Okay, different signs, you subtract. Let's look at this last one. You can finish the page on your own. Okay, I see a positive and I see a negative. Right away, different signs. I can put a little note over here. I'm going to have to subtract. So let's write it out. We have 5 positives. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And plus 2 negatives. 1, 2. I cancel these guys out. I cancel these guys out. And all I'm left is with 3 positives. And the trick, I have to go back. It's a positive because I took the sign of the larger number. Okay, maybe write that down. Take sign of larger number. Okay, so that's the modeling page. That is page 1. The next 2 pages for classwork that we're handing in all the worksheet this is the only, you do not have to sketch it out. This is what you must do. So I go to the 8. 8 is a positive, N is a negative. So right away they're different signs. So I write different, and the rule is to subtract. That's what you're writing for the rule. Okay, and then we do 8 minus 2 is 6. Now, you're going to circle the 8. And then you're going to write, it's a positive 8. You know, over here, you're going to write once. You're going to write take sign of larger number. And then you're going to circle it in the problem. So what I did there was I circled the 8. Let's try the next one. Okay, so I have a negative, positive. So I write different, the different signs. I write the word subtract here. I do 9 minus 5, which is 4. I go back. I circle the larger number. Okay, 9. Take the symbol in the front. So 9's larger, so it's a positive 9. So my answer is a positive 4. That is all you are doing for the next 2 pages. Let's just do one more because they're the same. So it's a positive plus positive. So I know that they're the same. Same signs means to add. Okay, so I can even put the sign there before I even do the math. And 10 plus 1 is 11. And that is it. That's what your work should look like, just like this, for the next 2 pages. And that's it for today. Remember, the quiz is coming up. Quiz is on Friday.